Dito ako sa Berjaya Times Square. Guys. Guys, nakaranas naman tayo ng ganito dati, no? Napalipad ng saranggol. Ito guys, oh, nakaranas din ako ng ganito. Ano to ng niyog? Ayan. Saranggola. Yan, bumili na naman ng shoes kami ni Kylie. Ganda ng mga shoes, guys. Kami sa Berjaya Times Square. Yan yung shawarma. Okay. Chicken rice and oh my god. That's yummy.
There's an egg too, guys.
Huh?
Egg too, guys.
What you eating?
Rice.
What you eating?
Rice.
Rice and chicken. What else?
It's really yummy, guys.
Very yummy, guys.
You want some, guys? Lola. Lola. You want some, guys?
You want some? Yeah, happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Enjoy your meal, guys.
In a happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Hi! Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
What you say? Thank you?
Thank you, Lord.
For what?
Really yummy, guys. It's so good.
Okay. Reverend, Kylie cannot go home. Diyan lang kami, guys, yung my blue. Diyan lang nakatira. Kaso lang, ang lakas ng ulan, oh.
Lola.
Yeah, oh.
It's raining, guys.
Very rainy, guys. Only Kylie.
Umbrella.
Huh?
Lola forgot umbrella.
Agoy.
And you too.
How to go? This is PH to KL TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.